Good morning, everyone. You can see here it's a bit snowy in northeast Ireland, but look at what we had to deal with this morning. So we have basically a big branch of a tree here has, become burdened down with a weight of snow. It's fallen down and it's taken out the telephone line. So you can see here the line from this pole to the house is gone. So I've phoned it in and it'll be fixed next week, I reckon. So all the schools are closed. I was meant to go on an appointment in Dublin. I couldn't go there. So all the kids are at home and they're all building snow men and snow women or whatever it is. And even S&S Hardware has taken off the day now. And that's generally something you won't see. So what's the name of that snowman? Paddy, yeah, well, I should have bloody guessed, yeah. So look at here, here's the phone line, yeah, here. Just down at the bottom of the house. So, that's going to take a few days to fix, for sure. I don't expect them to be out in the next few days, so, yeah, that's it. So, it's messy weather. You can see here it's heavy enough to lift this, and it's damaged the bloody paling, so it's a right pain in the arse, these incidents, But yeah, the phone line will be fixed for free, but like the paling, and now we have to cut up this piece of wood. We're going to get a forklift now and lift this, so stay tuned for that bit of action. Meanwhile, while we're waiting for the forklift, I tell you, these donkeys don't have it easy, do they? Out in all sorts of weather. That's their little hut there. They would have went in there last night for sure, It was a brutal, blustery sleet last night, So, I'm sure they would have went into that little house last night. So, rough weather for sure. I didn't make my trip to Dublin. It's just not worth the risk. So I have a day off to do nothing. Maybe I drink a few cans in the afternoon, So let's see. Here he comes, is it? I hear a noise. He's doing a bit of snowplow work as well. That's the big lift. Try and not damage the paling. Go on, you boy. More. Stop. It's hard to dislodge the branch of the scoop now is the problem, yeah? Hold up. Wait a second. Right, here's the next attempt. He's going to lift high. Further in. And shake it off. Shake it off. Good job. Yeah, that's better than it was. Good job, yeah. Yeah, so not too much damage done. Yeah, now we'll just do a little bit of tidy up here. So, a bit of excitement today. I'm glad I'm not working actually. So, there you go. So, all the best to everyone from a snowy northeast Ireland, and don't forget to press that subscribe button, and I'm going to drink a Guinness for all my subscribers in the afternoon. All the best everyone. Bye.